Guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna continue the tutorial from the yesterday. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here about it. Imagine the following scenario. You have a lot of posts with this permalinks structure, with the dates, okay, with the year, the month, and the day where the post has been published. And these days appears before the post title. It's bad for SEO. Make too big URLs and make your posts looks outdated later. Okay, so how to fix this? We have explained this into the yesterday's video. All we have to do is move to permalinks and change from day and name under WordPress settings for plan or for post name. That is my personal recommendation. However, if you do this and go to the post, as you can see, you receive a page not found because the URL has been changed in order to remove these dates. But how to do a redirect? How to make the redirection? So if you go to this post, if you have shared this post on some social media, for example, if some person click on this post, or the search engines click on this post, how to be redirected to the new URL, the URL without the data. This is what we're gonna learn in this video. So first thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. We're gonna do the free work, okay, so we're gonna keep all of this for free. So into the upper right corner of our screen, next to search plugins, we're gonna click and type redirection. Here is the guide that we're looking for by John. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. Now we're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you hover a mouse over tools under WordPress left sidebar of menus, next to users and settings, you're gonna be able to see the redirection new submenu. Click on it. The plugin gonna ask you to start the setup. Click on start setup. You can continue. You can finish setup. We are ready to begin. Now we're gonna click on add new. And here is the option that we are looking for, okay? To the source URL. We're gonna type just like this. Pause the video so you can copy. And into the target URL, we're gonna type just like this. This is gonna work for you if you move it from day and name. If you have other permalink, there is other code right here, okay? So if you have month and name, this code that is the one that gonna works for you, okay? Pay attention to this. In my case is this one, but before I can add, review the right sidebar of options, click into this little arrow and type regress, just like this. Click on add redirect. Redirect has been added. Now let's test. As you can see now, if we go to the previously permalinks structure, we are redirected to the new one. Simple, easy, effective, and free.